How to find my Afterpay card number. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Knowing your Afterpay card number is important for a lot of reasons. Some reasons might include online shopping, in-store purchase, payment management, and account verification. If you're looking to find your Afterpay card number in this video, I'm going to guide you through some steps. The first option is to check your Afterpay card number on the Afterpay app. All you need to do is have the Afterpay app installed on your mobile device, then open the application, log into your Afterpay account using your registered email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section. In this section, you should find your Afterpay card number displayed along with other account details. Make note of your card number or take a screenshot for future reference. Another way is to check your Afterpay card number on the Afterpay website. If you prefer to access your Afterpay number on the Afterpay website, all you have to do is open up any web browser and then visit the official Afterpay website. Click on My Account button at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your registered email address and password to log into your Afterpay account. Once logged in, click on the option of Cards. There you're going to find your Afterpay card number displayed along with other account details. If both the options does not work, you can always contact the Afterpay customer support for assistance. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.